This is the latest in home security from Swann, the new pan and tilt camera. Inside the box, you get some handy theft deterrent stickers, the pan and tilt camera, power adapter and cable, both the US and Australian adapters were included in this one, and a mounting stand enabling you the ability to mount your camera in the most convenient place inside your house. The thing that sets this security camera apart is the fact that you can remotely control what you see, pan left and right up to 355 degrees and tilt up and down 60 degrees. Not only can you control what you see with its added versatility, but also utilize its two-way talkback audio via the app. The camera has Swann's True Detect heat and motion sensor for reliable alerts and fewer false alarms. It has a unique privacy mode that turns the camera around and disables audio when monitoring's not required. You can even schedule the built-in siren to sound when the camera detects motion. Go hands-free and use voice commands with Google Assistant or Alexa smart home integration. With a small footprint, the device won't take up much room at all, and thankfully it's powered by a Wi-Fi connection, so you won't have a jumble of cables everywhere to get the camera connected. With free cloud recording for 7 rolling days, as well as internal memory storage on the 32GB micro SD card, which is included, you won't be caught out or miss a thing. From experience, there are other competitors that require you to subscribe for a base level of cloud storage.